Do you feel like that's where a big issue lies with when it comes to a lot of retail traders out there, that they're constantly looking for that one strategy that's going to make them millions, the one strategy that allows them to have ultra confidence in the markets? And the problem is there might be a strategy like that, but they don't realize it has like a time expiration. Like there will be a certain period of time where it works, and then they'll need to adapt and they'll need to change. And therefore, it doesn't really exist, that idea they have in their mind of like, one day I'll learn a strategy or I'll come across a strategy where I'll just be set for life. Done. I've learned that. That's it. I can know the markets. I'll trade it for the next 20 years, retire. Everyone's happy. But equally as well, in terms of that, do you feel like a lot of people, when it comes to strategies, they're not willing to adapt and they get kind of fearful about adapting and making changes, when really it's something that should just be embraced and understood that that's the reality of trading?
Yeah. I think a lot of traders are lazy. I think a lot of people treat trading as gambling. I think a lot of retail traders are not serious about trading. I think a lot of people come in with get rich quick. I want to buy this 2-cent penny stock, and if it goes to $2, I'm going to retire. I'm going to buy myself a BMW, and that's it, right? But what the reality is that the reason why 90% of traders lose is because they don't take it seriously. So when I kind of went all into the market, I treated it as a business. I treated it like a job. I wasn't just waking up at 9:25 and hitting a couple buttons and being done. I would wake up early. I would look at the news. I would look at the filings. I would look at the chart. I would make it as methodical of a process as possible, something that's very, very repeatable. That way, I know I'm able to show up and make money consistently. So I think a lot of these retail traders, they don't think or they don't know any better that the market is changing. They don't know that they should be changing their strategy. They don't know that they should be adapting because a lot of the information out there is kind of BS, right? So a lot of people, what they do is you join a course, you join a community, and they're teaching you the strategies that worked 10 years ago. But you don't know as a new trader that those strategies are irrelevant now. And what ends up happening is you think that you're the problem, not the strategy. So I think a lot of people need to understand that the market is ever changing, ever evolving. Every moment of every day, something could happen. So as a new trader, you have to be willing to not only expand your playbook, but also be able to understand that there's traders that are better than you, that are making a lot more money than you. And if you could take a little piece from here, a little piece from there, and mold it into your own personality and your own strategy, that's the key.
Definitely.